Okay, this one's for a 2010 Honda Element. I'm doing the stabilizer links. These were really bad. If you have them, you're hearing a banging underneath or a squeaking. These are just completely shot. Now, I've seen some other people do videos with taking it completely apart, taking axles off. For this one, I'm able to do it all with the new ones on there. Basically 15 minutes. Able to do with a ratchet coming in from the back, 14 deep socket, and then with a simple impact for the nut you can reach in the front. And so far so good. It's working good. And if you have to clamp down, because these do turn, I'm using simple needle nose vice grips, and they hold it perfectly. There's that simple rounding in there, rounding, sorry, and it holds it perfect. So if you're hearing a clunking noise under your element, when you go backward, you hear just a bad noise. That's the issue. Well, hopefully it's the issue. I'll give an update when I get done. But again, I take these videos. I'm not a mechanic. I take these videos so I know how to put everything back together, because I like taking stuff apart. So that's it. All right, so I did my drive, and it turns out did solve a lot of my problems. So these were completely shot. Stabilizer fronts. There's two different ones. I bought direct Honda parts. Went to Honda Direct. 19 was for the lug nuts. Deep socket 14 socket. And actually these Milwaukee thin were really actually worked out better than the actual vice grips. It grabbed it really nice right up in there and did a better job than the vice grips. But used impact, small, and you definitely will need extension to get the upper bolt. But simple job, about an hour and a half for me till figuring it out. And good luck to you. So this was a Honda Element 04, and it went really good, and it took care of a lot of my banging underneath, and especially backing up and noises it would make. So good luck to you.